Learn the secrets of success from this elite group of high-volume originators in the Centurion Roundtable interviews. Brought to you by Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
Progress is not possible without change, and PRMG is devoted to providing our wholesale partners across the nation with the best combination of products, pricing, technology, and service. Get approved with PRMG today.
Hi, I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. You're watching the Centurion Roundtable interviews, sponsored by our friends over at PRMG. We're meeting with top originators from around the country who utilize technology, an excellent support staff, and the best vendors and lenders to put more borrowers in homes. Today we're meeting with Loida Atienza, who is the broker owner for LA Financial Management and Services. Loida, thank you for joining us today.
You're very much welcome.
So listen, I want to get right into this. I know you do a lot of business. Let's talk about the numbers. On a monthly basis, on average, how many loans you putting out a month?
We are doing between 144 to 150 a year.
Wow, phenomenal.
Yes.
That's great. That's great. Listen, it's very, very impressive numbers. I mean, but listen, I know for you, this is not just about the numbers. This is something that you love. You have a lot of passion for. What do you love about this business, Loida?
I love about this business is very meaningful, and we offer solutions to people who are having financial problems, who has financial needs, and when you have a client that is satisfied and happy, you always get together a friendship, or even sometimes an extended family. Friendship is always created because of this business.
Agree. Yeah, you have that extended family, the friendships that you create from your love and helping people out with these situations. So listen, if you could do me a favor, talk about something that you do in your marketplace that other lenders don't or can't.
Yes, we are very personable, and for example, myself, I would like to sit in my client in my office or in their home and go through the loan application, the guidelines, and all the facets of the loan origination and funding. Now, when it comes to refinancing, I always ask them, what is your motivation to refinance? I want to make sure that the benefit is there for them to refinance, not just putting a loan in the pipeline. And when I pre-qualify people for a purchase, I always ask something like, what you're being qualified for is something different from what you're willing to pay for. And we talk about the guidelines and look at their credit. And if there's something that we can do now, we will pursue with the loan. And if not, we give them advice on how they can improve their credit score and what collections they need to get rid of and what kind of different loan programs depending on their income and also their assets. So it's the loan program that fits them actually.
Very cool. So you get a lot more in depth than other mortgage companies. Listen, can you tell me what excites you about the future of the mortgage business?
What excites me is always the challenges. Like interest rates are not always the same. They can fluctuate in any minute and any time. And right now, the news of interest rates going higher, it's a big challenge for us as loan originators. Now we just have to find a market for that and relearn the market again and get all those borrowers to use us.
Wonderful, wonderful. I want to ask you one last question. Can you talk about actually how you leverage your relationship with your vendors and lenders to put more borrowers in homes?
Yes, because I have long relationship with my lenders, and one example is PRMG, and my rep AE is Annie Gotch, and she's very good in bridging me and the underwriter. If I know the guidelines, and of course the underwriter knows the guidelines, but we don't want to irate the underwriter and say, hey, we have to do this and this is acceptable. So I ask Annie to kind of like, please, this is the guideline. I know, and I know your investors are different guidelines on the top of the guidelines. Can we please waive it? So the knowledge of me and my AE play a lot of role in closing my borrowers to fund the loan.
Very cool, very cool. Listen, Loida, I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to meet with us. I know you're a very busy person, so it means a lot to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
In today's wholesale environment, providing our broker community with the best combination of product, pricing, and fulfillment is paramount to their success. With a strong net worth and delivery of high-quality performing loans to the secondary market, it is no secret why many brokers choose PRMG as their wholesale partners. PRMG. We strive to be better in all that we do. Get approved with PRMG today.
This is Mortgage News Network.